In today's video I will present you my first Patreon script. I will show you which indicators I have integrated, briefly explain how they work and how you can combine multiple indicators in the script. I also created 4 alert variants for the purchases and sales of the script and explain how you can link the script with the 3 commas bot. Using the integrated table, you can quickly see when manually trading, at which position the script has bought, where the stop loss and take profit is and what leverage you need to achieve the set risk of the script. I have added 14 different indicators to the script. If you have ideas for other indicators, let me know. Included are typical trend indicators, like the MACD, the EMA. Momentum indicators, like the Stochastic RSI. Volume indicators, like the Moneyflow index. Volatility indicators, like the Bollinger Bands. I have tried to cover the market as much as possible. Currently the indicators have to be selected manually in the script. But in the near future I will automate this process using the ADX Moneyflow index and a volume indicator. By means of the higher time window the indicators give values, whereupon the script decides whether the values stand for an upward, downward trend or for a sideways market. Depending on this, the most suitable indicators are then selected. First of all, let's get to the script. Here you can see the settings. Time. Under time you can set the time for the backtest. If you want to trade manually with the script, you have to change the start date to the current day, so that the values in the table are calculated correctly. If you want to let a bot trade, you can change the backtest as desired. The important thing is that the end date is sufficiently in the future. I will explain the indicators using long positions. For short positions the opposite is true. Chaikin Moneyflow. Here you can set the length of the Chaikin Moneyflow. The number stands for the number of days that are used for the calculation. The Chaikin Moneyflow must be above the zero line for a signal. MACD. For a signal, the MACD and signal line must cross. EMA. I have inserted 2 EMAs into the script. For a signal, the price must be above the upper EMA. The second EMA indicates that it must be greater than the upper EMA for a long position. VWAP. The VWAP is very useful as a complement to other indicators. Therefore, it should be combined. For a signal, the price must be greater than the VWAP. Williams Alligator. For a signal the jaw must be bigger than the teeth, and lips and the teeth must be bigger than the lips. Hidden Divergence. The hidden divergence works very well with other indicators. However, the number of trades is shortened, but the maximum drawdown also decreases. The look-back range is determined by pivot points. You should make sure that the hidden divergence does not look to the right, otherwise it would repainting. For a signal, a hidden divergence must have existed in the last 5 time units. Wave trend. For a signal, both lines must be below the zero line. Cipher. I have oriented myself here somewhat on the VuManChu Cipher B, must however still revise this indicator somewhat, since I do not like the result. I expect to revise the indicator in the next 2 days. Stochastic. For a signal, the K line must cross the D line. Ichimoku. For a signal, the green Ichimoku lead line must be above the red Ichimoku lead line, only the 2 lead lines are activated. A green candle must be closed above the green lead line. Chopy market. The averages of the last days must remain above an index line to allow signals. ADX. The signal line must be above the entered value. This can exclude sideways markets. Bollinger Bands. The previous time unit of the price must be below or on the lower Bollinger Band. As soon as the current price is above the lower band, a signal is generated. ATR take profit stop loss. The value entered here is multiplied by the value of the current ATR. An example. The ATR has a value of 2. In the long take profit I have entered 10. My target price for the take profit is therefore the current price plus 20 points. If I enter 5 in the stop loss, a stop loss would be at the current price minus 10 points. This results in a risk reward of 1 to 2. Risk of capital. The risk of capital is interesting for manual trading. 0.02 corresponds to 2% risk as soon as the stop loss is reached. This value is used to calculate the required leverage. Below are the alarms. Long buy. After you have selected TradingView costume signal in your DCA bot tab, you have to copy the text at message for deal start signal. In the script at alert message long entry, you have to paste the copied text. Long sell. Back in the DCA bot you copy the text at message to close order at market price, and paste it in the script at alert message long exit. For the long DCA bot you now only have to create a TradingView alert. Under condition, you select the script and enter the webhook of the 3 commas bot. Now you have to enter the following command under message, strategy order alert message. This command returns the text that you have inserted in the script before. That's it. The long bot is armed. To enter short positions, you have to insert the respective text into the script again. If no other webhook URL is used for this, an alert is sufficient. Long/short. Here you can decide if only long or short positions should be traded. Indicator combination. Under indicator combination, a maximum of 7 of the 14 indicators can be combined. Mostly not only one indicator is enough. With possible 3,400 possible combinations, you may find one or the other profitable strategy. On my Patreon page, I will regularly post profitable combinations, and for which markets they are best suited. If an error should arise, which says that the strategy looks back too many candles, usually another indicator must be selected or the backtest must be shortened. The problem often arises with premium users of TradingView, as they can look back more than 5,000 candles. As I mentioned in the beginning, the table is more useful for manual trading. Since it is self-explanatory, I will not go into it further now. If there are any further questions, please ask me in the comments. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. In the next video, I will present the results of the Crypto Hopper, and introduce the new strategy with the chosen indicators by the Telegram community. See you then.